Holly Labar, and I'm an artist and I'm also training to be an architect. I run workshops with children and teach them about creativity and kind of being a little bit more free and loose, maybe, rather than regimented and rigid. So we are running a workshop inspired by beavers and the abstract practices of beavers. So again, instead of being maybe limited to how they're teaching children in school to kind of be quite representative or, you know, draw something that looks like something, we're more thinking about art as movement and maybe as an arrangement of kind of marks on paper.
I was listening outside the library and I heard someone say, the only thing is that we need to remember is it's all about love. And I was like, AI and love. I thought, well, Hawkwood's worked its magic, thank goodness for that. So